Why is embodied energy important for sustainable home building? Imagine building a home that not only looks good but also helps protect the planet. That's where understanding embodied energy comes into play. Embodied energy is the total energy used from extracting raw materials, processing, manufacturing, transporting, and installing building materials. It's like the energy cost paid upfront before the house even starts to be used. This measure is key because it impacts how green a home really is. When builders pick materials with lower embodied energy, they cut down on the amount of carbon dioxide released into the air. This is especially important because construction accounts for a large chunk of global energy use and greenhouse gas emissions. By choosing materials wisely, we can make a big difference. As homes become more energy efficient in how they operate, the importance of embodied energy grows. For example, if a house uses less energy for heating and cooling, then the energy invested in the materials becomes a bigger part of the total environmental impact. Materials like steel and aluminum have high embodied energy because their extraction and manufacturing take a lot of energy. On the other hand, wood and recycled materials usually have lower embodied energy, making them better choices for sustainability. In practical terms, homeowners and builders can focus on selecting materials that have lower embodied energy. Using locally sourced wood or recycled products reduces transportation emissions and overall carbon footprint. Designing homes to last longer and be adaptable means fewer replacements, spreading out the embodied energy over many years. Also, choosing manufacturing and transportation methods that are more efficient helps cut down on energy use. Thinking about embodied energy alongside operational energy helps balance the initial environmental costs with long-term savings. For example, a well-insulated home with energy-efficient windows reduces heating and cooling needs, making the upfront embodied energy worth it over time. When builders prioritize these factors, they support sustainable building practices that use resources responsibly. By paying attention to embodied energy, homeowners and builders can create homes that are truly sustainable from the ground up. It's about making smarter choices that lower the hidden energy costs in building materials, helping the environment and creating healthier living spaces.